It was an opportunity to look at the topics that I work with from different angles, and also to connect with peers and stakeholders from TSOs and other traders. It's very interesting to also have the theoretical perspective from a company like Inside.
When it comes to price mechanism information, I was vaguely aware of some of the things, but obviously I lacked some background in it, and I thought this training at Inside would be definitely interesting to understand to really deep dive into this topic.
We participated to the first training and we became aware that Inside was running a second training on balancing market, and we very decided quickly to participate. The reason is that we are every day confronting to the balancing market in many different areas, sometimes for renewable support, sometimes for implementation of new guidelines, sometimes for market surveillance. So we are very interested in learning more about these markets and staying up to date.
I particularly like that there was the hands-on element after the theoretical element, because I find that you can really put things in your brain more if you have the chance to learn about them and then try it yourself as well.
But I think the training is very well structured, so it's divided into modules, each having a real, very clear goal, and you have the material, which is very good, and then some key takeaway messages that summarized the module. So for following, it is very good.
For me, it was very interesting to getting to know the TSO perspective in the balancing market in which we are active, conceptual standpoint that are behind the working principle and creation of such markets.